Brain function explained. How your brain controls everything. Your brain weighs only about 1.4 kilograms, yet it controls everything you think, feel, say, and do. From breathing and heartbeat to emotions, memory, decision-making, and personality, the brain is the command center of the human body. In this video, we will explain brain function in simple and easy language so anyone can understand how the brain works, what each part does, and why brain health is so important. What is the brain? The brain is the main organ of the nervous system. It communicates with the entire body using electrical and chemical signals. Its main roles are receiving information from the senses, processing that information, sending instructions to the body, controlling thoughts, emotions, and behavior. Simply put, the brain is like a supercomputer that runs your body 24/7, even while you sleep. Main parts of the brain. The human brain has 3 main parts, and each has a specific function. 1. Cerebrum, the thinking brain. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It is responsible for higher mental functions. Functions of the cerebrum include thinking and reasoning, memory and learning, speech and language, emotions and personality, voluntary movement, walking, writing, and speaking. Left and right hemispheres. The cerebrum is divided into 2 halves. Left hemisphere, logic, language, math, analysis. Right hemisphere, creativity, imagination, emotions, and art. Both sides work together to help you function normally. 2. Cerebellum, the balance and coordination center. The cerebellum is located at the back of the brain. Its main functions are balance and posture, coordination of movements, muscle control, precision, and timing. Without the cerebellum, movements would be shaky and uncoordinated. 3. Brainstem, the life support system. The brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord. It controls automatic life functions such as breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, swallowing, sleep, and wake cycle. This part of the brain works automatically. You don't need to think about it. The lobes of the brain. The cerebrum is divided into 4 lobes with each a special role. Frontal lobe, decision-making and personality. Functions: planning and decision-making, problem-solving, emotional control, personality and behavior, voluntary movement. Damage to this area can affect judgment and self-control. Parietal lobe, sensation and awareness. Functions: touch and pain sensation, body awareness, spatial understanding, processing sensory information. Temporal lobe, memory and emotions. Functions: memory formation, understanding language, emotions, hearing and sound processing. Occipital lobe, vision center. Functions: processing visual information, recognizing shapes, colors, and movement. How the brain communicates. Neurons, explained simply. The brain contains billions of neurons, or nerve cells. Neurons communicate through electrical signals and chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. Important neurotransmitters include dopamine, motivation and pleasure, serotonin, mood and happiness, acetylcholine, memory and learning. Brain and emotions. Emotions are controlled by a group of structures called the limbic system. Key parts include amygdala, fear and emotional reactions, hippocampus, memory and learning. This system helps us survive, connect with others, and understand emotions. Brain plasticity. The brain can change. One of the most powerful discoveries in psychology is neuroplasticity. This means the brain can change, the brain can learn new skills, the brain can heal and rewire itself. Habits, learning, meditation, and practice can physically change the brain over time. How to keep your brain healthy. Simple habits to support brain function: quality sleep, healthy food, regular physical activity, learning new skills, managing stress, mindfulness, and meditation. A healthy brain leads to a healthy mind. Final thoughts. Your brain is the most complex and powerful organ in your body. Understanding brain function helps you improve mental health, boost focus and learning, control emotions better, make smarter decisions. The more you understand your brain, the better you can use it. Welcome to Psycacademy, where psychology is made simple, powerful, and practical.